Are you looking for the best greenhouses to enhance your gardening experience? In this video, we'll be showcasing the 7 best greenhouses available right now. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, we've got something for every need and budget. Before we dive into the reviews, make sure to check the links in the description below to find the perfect greenhouse that fits your budget. Number 1. Veikous Walk-in Polycarbonate Greenhouse. Whether you are new to gardening or have been gardening for years, our top pick from Veikous will serve you well. We love that it's large enough to hold plenty of plants but not overwhelming. And its sturdy frame of powder-coated aluminum won't rust or weather. The greenhouse panels are made of polycarbonate, a plastic ideal for the purpose thanks to its strength, ability to block UV rays while letting sunlight through, and insulating capabilities. These help control temperature and ward off harmful frost burn on your plants. One of the roof panels has an adjustable vent, which you can open or close to the angle you desire. This helps to control the temperature and humidity levels inside the greenhouse. You can install the vented panel in any spot you choose on the greenhouse's roof, allowing you to adapt it to your needs. The greenhouse has a swing-out door that makes it very easy to walk in or out of, plus it's lockable if you want to keep it secure. The roof is slanted to help prevent the buildup of snow and increase the ability of the structure to withstand winds. However, note that this is not intended for very heavy snow loads or winds over 30 miles per hour. The manufacturer states that you can improve the greenhouse's wind resistance by sealing all panels with a silicone caulk. This greenhouse does not have a floor, nor does it include shelves, although you could easily add a shelving unit if desired. You can also increase the wind resistance and durability of the greenhouse by assembling it over a concrete or brick foundation and bolting it down. Dimensions: 6.4 by 5.8 by 10 feet, material: aluminum, polycarbonate, ventilation type: door, roof vent, foundation required, no. Number 2. Miracle-Gro Transparent Greenhouse. We love this mini greenhouse from Miracle-Gro for its versatility and ease of assembly. At a mere 2 feet across and 1.5 feet deep, you can even tuck this greenhouse in a corner of your kitchen or other indoor area, install a grow light above it, and get a head start on sprouting seeds for planting outdoors in the spring. While it won't withstand high winds or heavy snowfall, you can also place it in a protected area outdoors, such as a patio or balcony, and use it for sprouting seeds, protecting delicate potted plants over the winter, or growing veggies for your enjoyment throughout the year. The frame is made of powder-coated tubular steel, and there are 4 wire mesh shelves that can be removed or repositioned. The fitted cover is made from heavy-duty clear PVC plastic, which lets plenty of light through while helping insulate your tender greenery against temperature extremes. The cover has ties to keep it in position and double zippers that let you open the greenhouse up to reach your plants or help control temperature and humidity levels. Dimensions: 23.6 by 17.7 by 57.1 inches, material: PVC, steel, ventilation type: door, foundation required, no. Number 3. Exaco Riga 2S Greenhouse. For areas that experience extreme weather, we love the Exaco Riga greenhouse. This versatile greenhouse stands up to wind, snow, and hail without problems. Plus, it's a good size for most yards, big enough to hold plenty of plants but not so large that it will overwhelm your garden. We also like that it comes with 2 full-length shelves for holding your potted plants or trays of seedlings. The frame is made from 12-gauge aircraft aluminum, and all the hardware is stainless steel. The panels are UV protective coated double-walled polycarbonate, letting plenty of sunshine in while keeping damaging UV rays out. It has a front Dutch-style door and a large rear window for ventilation. There's also a roof vent with automatic temperature-controlled opening and closing. When outdoor air temperatures reach 73 degrees, the oil-filled pistons supporting the window will slowly start to expand, opening the window further as the temperature increases and allowing it to close once temperatures drop. Rubber gaskets around the doors and windows seal out the weather and keep humidity inside. You can even run a small heater in the greenhouse during the winter to provide plenty of warmth for delicate greenery or for growing vegetables and herbs any time of year. And this is no eyesore. The sleek structure looks good in your yard while its peak design prevents snow buildup and resists wind damage. Note that you'll want an assistant or two and a free afternoon to complete installation, as it is time-consuming. Dimensions: 7.8 by 7 by 7.1 feet. Material: aluminum, polycarbonate. Ventilation type: door, vent, windows. Foundation required. No. Number 4. Ohuhu Walk-in Plant Greenhouse. If you are new to gardening or new to greenhouses, then this portable model from Ohuhu is a great choice, thanks to its easy assembly, reasonable size, and great features. While this is not a heavy-duty option for use in high winds or snowfall, we love it for adding some extra warmth and humidity to seedlings, delicate plants, or herbs and vegetables that could use a bit of protection from the elements while stretching out your growing season. And it's small enough to tuck on a patio or even a large balcony. The metal frame is coated for rust resistance. The cover is made from polyethylene plastic, which helps control temperature and humidity, although not as effectively as polycarbonate. Still, we appreciate the two side windows for extra ventilation, as well as the large double-zippered front door. Plus, the greenhouse comes with 12 shelf panels that can be attached down the full length of the sides to hold pots and baskets. There are ties to keep the cover attached to the frame, plus you get rope and tie-down stakes for extra security. All in all, this is a great choice for your first greenhouse, or if you only need a greenhouse for occasional use while starting seedlings or protecting delicate potted plants. Dimensions: 4.8 by 4.8 by 6.3 feet. Material: metal, polyethylene. Ventilation type: door, windows. Foundation required. No. Number 5. Outsunny Lean-to Greenhouse. A lean-to greenhouse is installed against a wall or is wall-mounted, so the solid wall provides extra protection and stability. We chose the Outsunny Lean-to Greenhouse as our top choice in this category because, at under 5 feet wide and less than 4 feet deep, it's the perfect size to fit against the side of a house and is easy to move when needed. You could even set it up on a balcony to create a sunroom or growing area. We also like that this greenhouse comes with pegs and wind ropes for added stability, although this is not a greenhouse for use in high winds or heavy snowfall. The Outsunny greenhouse has a tear-proof and UV-protected polyethylene cover and a steel frame. There are zip doors on each side, which give you access to the plants as well as a way to control heat and humidity inside the greenhouse. While the structure does not include shelves, you could set a small shelving unit inside if desired. This small, easily assembled greenhouse is perfect for starting seedlings, protecting young or delicate plants, extending your growing season for herbs or vegetables, or warding off birds. Dimensions: 84 by 56.4 by 46.8 inches. Material: metal, polyethylene. Ventilation type: doors. Foundation required. No. Number 6. Giantex Cold Frame Greenhouse. A cold frame greenhouse is an enclosed structure that protects your delicate outdoor plants during winter months. This offering from Giantex is our top pick in this category because its frame is made of sturdy Chinese fir wood and it has plastic polycarbonate panels. Polycarbonate is fully recyclable plastic that is lightweight, shatterproof, and very effective at blocking UV rays while letting sunshine through. We love its versatile design. The double front doors swing open for easy access to the plants inside, and the hinged top can be lifted or lowered as needed to control temperature and humidity. At less than 3 feet long and under 2 feet wide, this attractively designed greenhouse doesn't take up a lot of space, so you can tuck it on a patio or on the side of your house. You could even use it on a balcony. It comes with 2 wooden shelves that can be removed or repositioned, allowing you to accommodate different plant heights. It's very easy to assemble and disassemble this small greenhouse. You don't even need tools, so you can quickly assemble it at the start of winter, and then put it away during the more temperate months. Dimensions: 30 by 22.4 by 42.9 inches. Material: wood, polycarbonate. Ventilation type: doors, vent. Foundation required. No. Number 7. Eagle Peak Pop-Up Walk-in Shade Greenhouse. While most gardeners use greenhouses to protect plants from the cold, gardeners in very warm climates are likelier to need to shade their plants from intense sun. And for those scenarios, we like this portable shade cloth greenhouse from Eagle Peak. The galvanized steel frame requires no tools for the very easy assembly. Basically, All you have to do is unfold it. Top the frame with the green high-density polyethylene fabric cover, and you are ready to go. This shade cloth greenhouse is ideal for positioning right over plants in the ground on the sunniest days, or use it to provide some heat relief to your potted plants. According to the manufacturer, it can be as much as 30 degrees cooler inside the greenhouse than out in the heat, but your plants are still enjoying plenty of sunlight. The greenhouse has a front zip door, but no windows. Nor does it come with any shelves, although you could set a small shelving unit inside if you needed to. This is not a structure for use in high winds, on rainy days, or when it's snowing. You'll want to pack it up and put it away for the season once summer ends. You could even use it as a shaded space with the door unzipped for outdoor dining or relaxation. Dimensions: 8.2 by 6.1 by 7.4 feet. Material: steel, polyethylene. Ventilation type: door. Foundation required: no.